What if someone who is known to have millions of fans around the world is suddenly defamed just because of a controversial video? What should be done when a big celebrity like BTS's V and Jungkook are treated unfairly by someone who should be more responsible? This is exactly what happened to the two K-pop stars, when YouTuber JK and V Sojang made an unexpected attack on them. BTS's V and Jungkook have become global icons revered by fans from different parts of the world. However, recently, they had to face a very tough ordeal after these two big names were defamed by a YouTuber named JK and V Sojang. In the video, Sojang claims various accusations that are very detrimental to these two BTS members. What happened in the video? At first, the video seems ordinary, like most other YouTube content. However, who would have thought that the video contained a series of serious accusations that would change V and Jungkook's lives forever? In the video, Sojang accused the two BTS stars of being involved in a personal scandal that could damage their image in the public eye. These unfounded accusations quickly spread and went viral among fans as well as the general public. This caused a strong reaction from BTS fans who felt very hurt. Many felt that the reputation of their idols that had been built with hard work and dedication had been destroyed with just a video from someone who was irresponsible. Many ask, is this fair? Or why can someone be so cruel to people they don't know? Legal defense, criminal act of defamation. After a heated debate on social media and the losses suffered by BTS's V and Jungkook, the lawyers representing the two K-pop idols decided to take legal action. They sued JK and V Sojang for defamation and demand damages. The case immediately caught the attention of the public, as it has to do not only with the good name of two well-known celebrities, but also with freedom of speech in the increasingly polarized digital age. Many question the extent to which free speech on the internet can be protected, especially when it comes to insulting or defaming people who already have a very strong public image. Shocking court decision. After going through a long process and full of intrigue, the court finally made a decision that shocked all parties. JK and V Sojang was sentenced to a fantastically high fine. The fine is not only a slap in the face to Sojang, but also provides an important lesson about the limits of free speech in cyberspace. For BTS fans, this is a big win. They feel that the good name of their idol has been defended fairly and that the law has finally taken firm steps against immoral behavior carried out by someone in search of sensation and popularity alone. However, on the other hand, many also feel that this is a controversial move, as it raises questions regarding the extent to which restrictions on content published on the internet are acceptable. Is the court too harsh? For some, this decision shows that the law not only protects individuals in the event of defamation, but also reminds the public that everyone, even in cyberspace, must be responsible for their words and actions. However, there are also those who question whether this court decision is too harsh or disproportionate to a video that only contains the personal opinion of the YouTuber. It is important to remember that although Sojang is known for controversial content, this decision generated a lot of debate. Some consider that he only seeks to attract attention through sensational opinions, while others argue that this is part of his right to express opinions freely, even if they harm others. Further controversy. Why is this a global issue? In cyberspace, attacks on celebrities or famous personalities are often the subject of conversation. However, when K-pop stars like V and Jungkook become involved, the case soon spreads around the world. It's not just about K-pop stars. It's also about the right of every individual to have a well-earned reputation, especially for those who become global cultural icons. BTS fans around the world expressed their disappointment and anger on various social media platforms. Many felt that this was an attack not only against V and Jungkook, but also against the K-pop music industry that has grown rapidly and brought together fans from different countries. What will happen next? This decision may be just the beginning of many debates that will arise. The lawyers representing Sojang, of course, will appeal this court decision. This has the potential to prolong this already very heated controversy. Meanwhile, BTS and their fans hope that this event serves as an important lesson for all parties involved in social media. There is expected to be stricter regulation regarding the dissemination of information that is incorrect or harmful to individuals, as well as awareness of the impact that hate speech and defamation can have on cyberspace. Conclusion: the impact of a legal decision. This court decision brings many valuable lessons, especially for those who have great influence in cyberspace. BTS's V and Jungkook can now breathe a sigh of relief, although they must continue to face challenges in a world filled with speculation and opinions that are not always based. However, will this decision set a precedent for similar cases in the future? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain: a good name and reputation are very valuable things, and in an ever-evolving digital world, no one is completely safe from the threat of defamation that can come at any time. However, hopefully with this court decision, the public can be more aware of their responsibility in using digital platforms wisely. Do you agree with this court decision? That is the big question that is now popping up in the middle of society. Are restrictions on free speech acceptable, or do they violate an individual's right to speak freely? This is a dilemma that will continue to surface and invite pros and cons.